Welcome back to Just Cause, and yeah, I just died before, so we were looking at the tornado again. Let's grab a car. Uh, was that lightning? I don't know, but the people seem to be running away from the tornado. No, get over the fence. So what I've been learning so far is that the normal part, like normal trees and everything, there's tornado. Oh god, I got bad people chasing me now. Yeah, normal places tornado like you see in front of me. Snow has blizzards. The desert has sandstorms, and the swampy area has nothing so far. That's what I've learned. The only place I haven't been is the desert. Okay, I've got a pole in my car. Okay. Why do I have a pole in my car? Yep, here we go, helicopter. Woo! Isn't that awesome? And now I'm stuck on a mountain getting shot at and getting absolutely sprayed on. That's what happened now. Let's just drive. Yeah, let's just boost this. Should we just like drive into it? I did die just before this from like not using my parachute because of the tornado. This fell to my death. Whee! Oh, okay, so the exclamation mark. Now stand right there and I'm about to die. And I'm not gonna bother getting out of the car. Oh, it's gonna count down, but no, I died already. Okay. Good job. Okay, I'm here again. Yeah, you know what? I'm going back to the tornado with a stronger car. Please wait, come on, yeah. You're gonna get into people. Yeah, this car is slow, guys. Get out of my way. Please. See, you need to ask politely. Yeah, let's just stop and grab this car. Oh my, okay. Drive, yes. We're out of here, we got no boost, but who cares? The other car was better, but oh my god, there's a bullet in my car. Okay. Roblox, let's just go. What? Wee. Oh god, okay. Yeah, you wanna play with that? Yeah, come on then, yeah, let's crash into each other, huh? Yeah, come on then, oh yeah. Yeah, you wanna play with that? Let's crash into each other then. Oh yeah, off-road then. Woo! Okay, yep, I'm winning. This is unfair, you got guns. Oh, oh snap. Oh, you can't get me because I'm fast as fuck, boy. Can you? Skisker. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, let's just get to the tornado. Skisker. Oh no. I know. I'm not gonna make it. Come on, pump it out. You can't catch me for shit. Oh my god, look at all that. No, don't turn around, boy. Oh, yeah, see, yeah. I will allow you to go into the tornado. Oh, no, stop on the thing, you know. 57. Get, yeah, yep, there you go. Just in time. Yeah, getting this guy. Blimp. Come. Yeah, oh my god, it's a flaming ball. Oh, there we go, it's just turned to a broken car now. Go. Whee! Oh my god, they're idiots. Oh my god. I believe I can fly. How come they get pulled in really easy? But yet you see me just by myself, and I'm apparently heavier than the cars because the cars get pulled up easier than me. Why? How is this possible? Oh god, the cars are attacking. Oh, whee! Get out, yeah, get out. Good idea. Oh my god, ah! Oh my goodness. Yay! No, you can't get me. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Shouldn't I be weaker than, like, every other part of the tornado? Come. So, yeah, this tornado's coming, so... Wait, I want to see if this...